antifreeze drained, the oil drained, and we want to do a couple things before we pull the bottom end from the frame. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull the flywheel off. To do that, we need to remove the ignition cover, remove the clutch cable, and then we're going to use our Tusk clutch hub holder, which also doubles as a flywheel holder, and remove the flywheel bolt. Then we're going to use our Tusk flywheel puller, and we're going to, it's actually a, you can see it's a left-handed thread. This tool is really important, and it's necessary to get this off. Pull the flywheel